Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to try and fix this stick drift issue on this Joy-Con here. Now it's not bad, but what's happening is it's often a bit laggy, a bit delaying on the input, so where it can take a bit of time to get back to the central position. So let me show you now. If I go down to where it says System Settings, and then we're going to go all the way down to Controllers and Sensors, go across, and we're going to work our way down until it says Calibrate Control Sticks. And now I'm going to press in on here, and it's going to be hard to see, and it doesn't happen all the time. So right now it looks perfect, but sometimes, can you see? So look, if I go down, it instantly goes back to the middle, but sometimes it can hesitate. There you go, see there? There you go, see how slow that was? So it doesn't happen all the time, but it's annoying and it's noticeable in certain games. So now the best thing to do here would be just to change that analog stick over. You can buy them very cheaply online, and it just takes a little bit of patience and a tri-wing screwdriver to get into the back, but that is by far the best method. The problem with that is obviously it means taking the Joy-Con apart. So a more kind of temporary fix that still might last you a couple of months, but then you probably will have to do it again, is to just try to clean it. So hopefully now you can see that it's not. There you go, that was a perfect one there. So all we're going to do is we're going to take it off there, and we're just going to turn off the Joy-Con by just tapping the sync button here, like so. Now if you have a close look in here, you will see that there is a little rubber cap that we can lift up. So I've got some little tweezers here, and if you have a look, can you see I'm lifting that rubber cap off, and underneath can you see there's a little bit of white? Well, that's the mechanism of the actual analog stick itself. We want to spray some fluid in there to try and clean it out. Yeah, so all I'm going to be doing is spraying it in there, and then hopefully that will sort it. Right, so this is what we're going to be using. It is a tape head disk drive cleaner, and basically it's going to evaporate off very quickly. Also it's pressurized, so it's going to shoot out right into here, and then as well it's not going to cause any damage to the actual electronics themselves. So I'm going to be just lifting that up there like so, and I'm going to be getting my spray, and I'm going to be spraying it in here like that. And I'm just going to move it and work it around the place, and I'm going to do the same at the bottom, and hopefully that should fix it. Now again, you probably will have to repeat this procedure depending on how often you play, but you might have to repeat it in a few weeks or a month or two. But if you haven't got money for new Joy-Cons and you don't fancy removing the analog stick yourself, then it could be a nice easy option for you to do. Again, I'm just lifting it up there, and I'm just going to get the straw right in there under the cap. A little bit fiddly, it's harder to do when I'm on camera as well, because I'm trying to shove it into the camera. There we go, you can see now I'm in there. And again, working it round. So even if the Nintendo Switch does turn itself on again, it's not a problem, because it's not actually going to cause it any damage. You can see it's on now, it's not causing it damage. Right, so that's going to evaporate off in a little while, but let me just show you it now, and then we'll leave it for a few minutes and test it again. So we'll do it exactly the same as we did it before. We're going to click in here, and now let's see if it does it again. Now this analog stick wasn't bad, but it was still irritating enough. Now obviously if it's still happening, give it another go. Try to clean it more, or try to wiggle it around more, get it working into all the parts of the actual analog stick. But you can see now it's not happening. Thought it did it once here, I'm not too sure, I just want to do it a few more times. I think that's it. I think that's working now. But if it wasn't, I would just have to give it a couple more sprays and then you should find it should sort itself out. Now obviously this isn't going to make any difference if you've got a broken part in there. This is only going to work if there's a build-up of dirt or if something's been spilt in it in the past, and it just basically cleans it out. But it might be an option, and it's certainly cheaper than going out and buying new Joy-Cons. Right, so that's it. I'm happy with that one. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care. Bye now.